that's fucking right. Come on, Lily. Yes. Bro. Hi besties, so welcome back to another K-pop reaction video, and today I'm going to be doing two videos. I'm going to be reacting to, these are two girl groups, 5th gen I believe. It is BadVillain and Babymonster. I'm not going to hold you, when they first came out I really thought this was like the same group. I didn't know if Babymonster was first and like they had a subunit and it was like BadVillain. I don't know, but that's, you know, like I said, you know, ignorance. I didn't really know too much and I wasn't diving deep to really see what was what. But yeah, so I'm gonna be reacting to Babymonster Drip and BadVillain. I believe it's BadVillain. Yeah, I believe the song, yeah. BadVillain by BadVillain, and then Babymonster Drip. And again, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna lie. When I saw the thumbnail for Drip, it I wasn't having high hopes. I was not having high hopes that this song was gonna be it for me. But let's go ahead and get started with it first. Let's see what Babymonster is giving. This is Drip, but I think it did pretty well because it got 233 million views, and this came out 5 months ago, so that's really good for a new girl group. Okay, I'm feeling the beat.
Yeah. When I dress, I don't think so much. I could be the gold, I don't need too much. I'ma set a goal, I'ma eat that lunch. Baby so cold, get the ice cream truck. kitty, 놀아볼까? kitty, yeah, we gotta run this town. Hitting me up, cause I got what.
I like her voice. I like the beat. I like how the first girl came in. But I am checking the lyrics out every now and then, and wrote this.
They like, baby got no chance, but I hit that dance. Nah, I'll be there. Call me Najima. Nah, I'll be there. 망설이지마. But you don't know about me. Yeah, you gon' know about me. Boy, 난 down. 별들이 빛나는 밤이야. What you say? 끝없는 가지. You know it's on me. Got that.
Okay.
What you say? Are you ready?
Okay.
Turn on the lights.
Ooh, okay.
Baby got passion, ambition, 난 보란 듯이. Look at
Okay.
that 온몸으로 느끼는 내 몸짓. Baby got drip, drip. Baby got drip, drip. Asa.
I like how the girl came in and that girl in like the pre-chorus, I think she had blonde hair. I'm not even gonna hold you. I think she had blonde hair. Yeah, her. I like her voice. I really do. I like how that sounded. And the chorus, okay. It kept up with the, I like that. I really did. I like that. Now, I'm not finna hold you. I don't think it's gonna be like playlist worthy for me, but I definitely think if I watch it like a few more times, like maybe watch some other people react to it and listen to it, like if it like comes on or whatever, I think it could work, like it could warm up to me because I like it.
Monster, came to conquer, baby, holla, what's up? We're the best, the rascal, fast, we're blessed, pony, paper,
I like her fish. She is eating.
You know we gon' ride. Nah, I'll be there. Call me Najima. Nah, I'll be there. 망설이지마. But you don't know about me. Yeah, you gon' know about me. Boy, 난 down. 별들이 빛나는 밤이야. What you say? 끝없는 가지. You know
Okay, girl, get it.
Baby got drip, 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 drip. Baby got drip, 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 drip. 가끔 쓰러진데도 I'ma shine as bright as diamonds. Say my name.
The vocals are there.
Now watch me do it all again.
Okay, baby girl, come on. I know that's fucking right. Baby girl, you did that. Like, come on. Do y'all hear the octaves? Do y'all hear the octaves going up? She did that. What is on her hand?
You know we got that drip. Got the drip, yeah.
Okay. Okay, now that's over, I have some thoughts. Now, I'm not... Okay, so I think for me, what might have been that issue that's kind of just like not making me kind of go like full force with it, with the song, is the rap verses. I'm not gonna hold you. The rap verses is not doing it for me. It's not. But the song itself is actually really good. The chorus is good. The pre-chorus, the girls sound really, really good. I'm just not a fan of the rap verse. I'm just not. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you guys don't like that. Like, if you love it, I love that for you. But for me, it's just not, it's not doing it for me. But I like it. I do. I actually liked it a lot more than I thought. And like I said, the thumbnails would cook me off because that part with her in the glove, I'm like, that's it. That's the thumbnail. I didn't like it. Like, why the glove? But enough of that. Let's go ahead and get into the next video, which is BadVillain by BadVillain. I don't know if this is their debut. This came out 10 months ago. And this one got 48 million views. So, did pretty well.
Who do you think you are?
Girl, I don't know. I'm just minding my business.
Baby. What? La 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 la. Villain.
Okay.
La la la.
This piano chord, I love it.
La 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 la. La 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 la. The AZ.
Moving on.
Coming, I'm killing. Shut up, no way. 예뻐져도 예뻐진 느낌. I don't even hide my emotion. 지켜내 소신, no question. Bad attitude. 잘 먹으나 너나 잘해요. We're gonna take this money like TikTok. 시간을 지켜 모두들 집합. I'm in the sisters breaking this system. 부셔기만 들어 세워놓은 질서. Bad girl, you know we rolling is heavy. 계속 올려대는 썰이. 한입 거리하는 jelly. I got the spicy idea, you jelly. Mobbing with the bad girls, you and me the gang. It ain't what the same, but I can feel no pain.
This is a very beautiful video, though. Oh, hold on. The person on this song, that piano chord in this song is really, oh, it is so beautiful. It is so powerful. It is so beautiful. Like, this was genius. Because the piano chord has like a dark sound with it, and this song being called BadVillain, it makes so much sense. Genius.
Mobbing with the bad.
Mobbing with the bad girls. You ain't even gang. Okay.
You ain't even gang. 덤벼받았은 걸로 I can feel no pain. 지쳐인 dimension. Up and get the best. 나 올라서니 머리 새겨 without veil.
Oh, oh.
La la la. I'm a man. La la la. La 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 la. 느낌이 와 지금 우릴 봐봐 마치 난 superhero. You are with me now. 내 안에 그 불씨 더 타오르게 두지. Fire, fire. Switch. La 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 la.
Okay. Okay with the dance break.
Villain. I'm a man. La la la. La 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 la. Villain.
Okay. Okay, so now that we have finished both of the songs, so I didn't pause as much throughout that song and really kind of like share midway my thoughts on it, because honestly I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm actually kind of confused on how I feel about it. It's intriguing. Now I can listen to the instrumental of this all day. The instrumental to this is absolutely fire. Like I said, genius sound with this song. But that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like to me the instrumental might have been the best part of this song. And that's why I'm like, I don't necessarily know if I like or dislike the song, because the instrumental is just like so just in my face that I'm like, I really couldn't focus on whether or not I like the song or not. It was interesting. The video itself was very beautiful. The girls looked beautiful. The dancing was great. I liked the girl's voice, and I did like the flow and like the rapping a lot better in this song compared to BabyMonster song. And it's so funny, the differences that the Bad Villain video is so dark and ominous, and then BabyMonster is so bright and pink. But it's really cute. I did like it. I liked it. Because honestly, both the dark and ominous vibe and then the bright pink and cutesy is literally me in a nutshell. I was watching two videos that fit two different personalities and aesthetics for me. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe we can table this and I'll come back. Maybe I'll react to another like BabyMonster song and I'll let you guys know then. I'm like, yeah, listen to it more. I really like it or I dislike it. I don't know. But yeah, Bad Villain is cool. It's cool. But besties, that is all for this video. I love you guys and I will see you guys in my next reaction video. Bye.
Okay, let's go.